If you want to learn this eye-popping animation in PowerPoint, then you are at the right place. My name is Vikram and I welcome you all to our channel Live Life. Do watch the video till the end to make maximum use. We are at the blank screen. You go to shapes and then this double hollow circle. We can adjust its size to the required one, 8 by 8 cm we have choose. Go to shape fill, gray color with no outline, and we can adjust its thickness by this orange color button. Ctrl D, duplicate it and keep it aside. We will use it after some time. Go to insert and then insert this plus size shape, resize it to 7 by 7 cm, and we need to lock the aspect ratio so that the length and breadth remains constant. We will adjust its size to make it thin. Perfect. We will place it to the center of the circle. Then, so this is little bit of small size. We need to increase its size to 7 cm. Let's say 10 cm. Done. We need to recenter it. Little bit adjustments. Fine. Perfect. Now what will we do? Ctrl D, duplicate it, and we'll rotate it by 15 degree. Okay, then we will again place it to the center. Perfect. Again Ctrl plus D, Ctrl D to duplicate, Ctrl D to duplicate, and then again rotate it by 15 degrees. Total 30 degree we will rotate, and again place it to the center. Perfect. Perfect. Now we need to repeat this process until we fully cover this circle. So we are fast forwarding it. Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D, duplicate and rotate these so that the complete circle gets filled. Now perfect, it's done. Now what will we do? We will select all these plus signs and the circle and select all the lines, all lines selected, and this circle. Go to format shape and then fragment it. Perfect. Now in the semicircle portion we will select these small trapezoids that we have created. Select all these one by one. And then we will move it to some other place. Pick this and move it to a little bit further. Perfect. To the center, and we will delete the remaining portion. This is not required now. Perfect. Select all this and remove this. Perfect. Now select these and we will group this. Right click and group, and then shape fill, no fill and no outline, and we will move it to the left side, to the center, to the appropriate location that you want. Perfect. As you can see, these are all the individual items, different. Now we need to insert the needle that will revolve. A little triangle has been inserted. Perfect. Go to the shape fill and then fill the red color. Shape outline to no outline. Done. Little bit adjustments according to the requirement. It's fine. To the center. Go to insert, then insert a circle, resize it to 1.5 cm by 1.5 cm. Shape fill, a little gray color with no outline. And place it to the exact center of the above circle. Now what's happening is it's not getting to the center, so we are moving it little bit downward to place it at the center, because that other figure is interfering to the center. Now needle also needs to be moved there to the center. Perfect, perfect, perfect. We will insert another circle with a shape fill of no fill. It will be of little bit smaller size, 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Shape fill to very light color or white color, and shape outline to black one, and then place this also to the same center, same circle center. Perfect. Now go to the design, insert tab, another circle of very small size. That size is 0.7 centimeter by 0.7 centimeter, with a shape fill of black color, and place it to the exact center. Now our needle has been created in the circle. Select the outer circle and no fill, and place it to the exact center. First group it and place it to the exact center of the another shape that we have created. Perfect, perfect. Now one speedometer shape has been created. Basically, select this shape and rotate left by 90 degree so that it remains at its neutral position. Perfect. Now what will we do? We will try to add some animations. Select this, go to animation, go to the spin one, spin. Now as you are seeing, it's rotating 360 degree. This is clockwise. Perfect. Go to, we will increase its duration. Go to effect options and custom this 360 degree clockwise, custom it to 90 degree. Perfect. As you can see, now this is rotating only 90 degree. Now ungroup it, and we need to select this small up to the point where needle is going to the last. Select all these, go to animations and select object color. Select all these to start with previous, little bit adjustments, because each has to be delayed. Each has to be delayed by some point of some time, like 40 seconds. Perfect, 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 perfect. Select all this, Control D, duplicate, select this and place it to the right side. As you can see, all the animations has also been copied. So as the needle will go by not the same distance, because in that case it was 90 degree rotation. In this case it will be somewhat other than 90 degree. Go to effect options, it's 90 degree clockwise, change this to 120 degree clockwise. Fine, it is going 120 degree, but it's not exactly at the end of that shape, so need to change it. We will increase it to 125 degree, make it 1205. Perfect. Now let's run. Fine, it's going to the exact end of that shape. Fine. Now we need to add some, change the effect options, change the color to blue. Earlier it was orange, we have changed it to blue. Perfect. Now the same animation to these objects needs to be added to 3 more objects, because it's now going to 120 degree. So copy these animations, go to animation painter and paste it to animation painter and paste it to other 3 circles. Perfect. This needs to be repeated to the other 3 ones also, so we are doing it little bit fast. We need to change the timings, little bit adjustments, so that one has to move after other. Just wait for a while. It needs to be changed to 280. Perfect. Now run it. Perfect. Perfect. Little gap is also required. We will adjust it later. Select this part. Control D. Duplicate it and place it to the right side. Oh sorry, the needle has not been captured. Do it again. Select this. Select the needle also. Control D and then place it to the right side. Perfect. Done. As you can also see there, all the animations have been copied to the right side. You can see in the animation pane. We have removed, we have kept only 3, but the needle is rotating to the 120 degree. So we need to adjust the rotation so that it rotates up to 3 points only. We will keep it to the 40 degree. Let's see what happens. Perfect. It's just fine rotating to the 3 shapes. Little bit adjustments. Change the color to green one. Perfect. Little bit more adjustments. If you want to change the color to the requirement, some iterations, we have changed it to yellow color. That's looking fine. Let's play it. This one is yellow, this one is blue, this one is green. Now you can see that the blue one is lagging behind, but the green one is moving very slow. So we need to change the durations. We are slightly delaying the second animation from the first one, and change its duration to higher side, 3 seconds. And for the green one, last one, we need to decrease its location so that it moves fast, because only 3 circles it has to cover. Perfect. Let's play it. Now it's moving fine. Very nice, very nice. So up to this point we have gone. We have already placed this text material. We will copy this from there and we will paste it there. Perfect. To the center size. Center it to the middle. Perfect. Little bit more adjustment. Select all these, go to animations and fly in. Perfect. But they will fly at the same time, so we need to move the text to their respective position. Select the first one and move it earlier. We can also drag it, but I am doing it manually by the long method. We can also try the short, and we need to make it little bit delay to match with the yellow box animation. Increase the duration little bit, 0.75. Perfect. To the second one, second box also, text box, change the duration. To the third box also. Perfect. That's not coming because the text box is perfect, going on, but this click needs to be start with previous. Perfect. Now play all. Good. Very nice, very nice. The speedometer is revolving very fine. Very nice. Do watch the video till the end to gain maximum, and do subscribe the channel. Go to design. Now we will format the background. Format background and picture or texture field, and then insert from a file. We will select the image that we like. Go to insert, and the picture has been inserted and it's looking very nice now. We have drawn also 3 icons. We will copy it. We had already animation in those icons, so that animation will also go pasted there. Perfect. Go to animation pane. We have 3 graphics, 61, 62 and 63 by the name that we have inserted now. We will move it to below the text box that we have animated earlier. So below the text box we have placed it. We have made it start with earlier. Perfect. Now go to the graphic 62. Move it to the under text box 60. The second one, the blue one. Then the third graphic 63, move it below the text box, the third text box. Perfect. Now play it. Very nice, very beautiful, very beautiful. This is the animation that we have created. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel and keep watching Live Life for more such beautiful and wonderful videos. Thanks a lot.